Hello everybody, how are you doing? I want to show you what you can do with these flavored milk. Okay? It's gonna be like a pancake, but a flavored one, and I don't add any eggs for it. So this is strawberry flavor. No artificial stuff, it says. Just okay, strawberry flavor. And then, very important, you need to add flour. Now you can use self-raising flour or you can add normal flour and add baking powder. Very important, this is like basically 1 cup of flour I added, and I added 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. The consistency should be like a pancake, like this. So you will add the flour slowly until you get this consistency. Also add about 1 spoon of melted butter or margarine, but the butter gives it a nice flavor and it helps to make it soft. Next, you will heat up your pan slowly and add some butter. The butter helps with the flavor, and it will also help that it don't stick. But if you have a non-stick pan, it will be better for you. You add your pancake mixture slowly. I'll call it a pancake mixture. It looks like one. And cook it slowly on the one side and just flip it to the other side. Cook it slowly. And like I said, the non-stick pan will be much easier, but I like my stainless steel pan. Oopsie, there we go. Nice and slowly. Get your syrup ready. I will be using what I have, and at the moment I have some maple syrup. You can use honey, you can use golden syrup, you can use jam, you can take jam, add a little bit of water to it and make it like a flowing syrup. So I think it's done. I'll just take it over to my I prefer the other side though. There we go, I drizzled it on. Let me taste it. It's very soft. It has a little bit of the strawberry tasting. So you can put this in for lunches for the children. You can have it as a quick dessert for you. You can add savory filling, but it will, then the strawberry might not be such a good flavor. But in any case, you can do anything with it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.